Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how I approach meme coins, and it's very different from what most people are doing at the moment. I am not trading charts or chasing random coins. I am just deving and dumping whenever I want. This method has made me a lot of fucking money in this market, and it's still being overlooked by most people. If you want to learn a brand new method on how to make money with meme coins, let's get right into it. Everyone is trying to catch the next 100x meme coin, but I realized that you will make way more money deving meme coins, and that is why this phantom wallet has over $8 million. It's all from deving meme coins, bro, and that's exactly why I am making this video. Now, a lot of people who are coming into this space do not get crushed in meme coins because they're unlucky. They actually get crushed because they only trade meme coins. They buy after the momentum is already there, and then the person who launched the coin exits into their buy. For example, bro, this coin, it pumped and then boom, the dev fucking dumped on them. That's why experienced traders and major KOLs are shifting away from trading and towards launching the actual coins itself. It's low downside and it's actually high upside, okay, because creating coins costs literally $0, and genuinely, bro, it's fun to dev. When you trade meme coins though, you're handling your money to the creators, but when you launch your coin yourself, you become the creator and you control the entire play. The process is simple: deploy the token, let interest build naturally, and when the market cap is high, boom, you just fucking cash out and you rinse and repeat this exact process, okay? Now, launching has become the new meta because creating a coin on chain costs almost nothing, like I said, and that's exactly how I built my entire portfolio from fucking $0 to over hundreds and thousands of dollars, because that's why I am making this video. I will be ungatekeeping the method. And by the way, bro, I do not condone any financial advice, okay? It's all my personal opinions, and obviously, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. Cap. Now, most people, when they first launch their first meme coin, the platform they almost always look at and use is Pump.Fun. Now, it's the most talked about option, it's the most popular one, but that's exactly where most devs go wrong. Pump.Fun is beyond crowded. New tokens are appearing non-stop, and most of them are just fucking vanishing instantly because there's just too many coins launching instantly, right? So if you're still launching there, bro, you're not really building anything. You're just hoping for your luck to explode. And there's another issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool that you create and takes a share of the creator fees. So right from the start, you don't actually have full ownership of your own launch. And as a dev, bro, the real mission is getting your token in front of Raydium traders, where real buyers and real volume exists right here, bro. But on Pump.Fun, getting there takes too long and depends far too much on luck. Your meme coin needs to reach $55,000 for it to migrate to Raydium, and that takes way too much luck. And that's exactly why I personally switched to create Meme.io, because this launchpad is a better upgrade than Pump.Fun, okay? Basically, all your meme coins that are launched through this website will go directly to Raydium instantly, and they will all be migrated and viewed to a bunch of people right away, and that's exactly why you have to be avoiding Pump.Fun and just skipping the entire bonding curve and going directly to Raydium to get a shit ton of buyers using this launchpad. Now, I'll show you exactly how a coin gets launched on this platform, okay? There are two ways to make a token here, and which one you choose depends on how you want to execute your launch. The first option is creating a coin from the ground up. This starts with the narrative. Go on X, check Google News, go on Reddit, right, and look for something trending to turn into a meme coin. It could be a viral tweet or a political situation. Just anything, right? Once you have that idea, bro, come back to create Meme.io, come up with a name, pick a ticker symbol, then upload a quick logo and confirm, and just like that, bro, your meme coin is up and running after these simple steps. But if you're aiming for profits and just momentum in general, bro, I would highly recommend to copy coins, which leads us to our second method. Now, these are tokens that are already exploding with activity and attracting non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun. All these coins are going viral and they all have a good narrative. Now, instead of creating a whole new meme coin from scratch, okay, you can actually just copy a coin here and launch that coin directly hit your rhythm instantly, bro, and you will get a lot of fucking volume and traction because you're copying a trending coin. Alright, let's move on forward and make a token right now in front of all of you guys for a quick example. Now first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh and look for a meme coin to copy. Just go for something, right? I'm gonna go with the Squirt coin. It has it as by 30 seconds ago, so let's copy this. Click on create coin, wait for Phantom White to pop up, boom. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, then click on confirm right here, and then the coin will be copied on chain. Just fucking wait, right? And then boom. If I go in scan, you guys will see all proof that it is on the blockchain. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy, bro. We are just creating the liquidity pool like that. You can control it and people can buy in, right? Now for token A, this is the supply. Click on 90%. I would highly recommend to drop 900 million tokens. For token B, this is your first entry into your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything. It's just temporarily locked in to open the pool, okay? The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once the liquidity is removed later, that SOL goes straight back to you. So we have nothing to lose, right? Because we're gonna get it back later. So 0.3, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom White to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, and obviously, bro, just scroll, and boom, the Squirt coin is on live, and your PNL will show up right here. Now, if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits in real time, as you guys can see, we are up $130 in USD, by the way, because people are buying our coin on the Raydium DEX. Now, click on view on Photon, right? I go on Photon usually. Let me go on full screen. Then the coin should be live in a sec. Come on, bro, come on. It has to load in the buys and shit. And now the coin is live. As you guys can see, bro, we are getting traction. 1.2k market cap, 1k liquidity. Things are looking good. We are getting a lot of fucking volume, bro. Let me tell you that. $50 right here, $13 right here, $35 right here. A bunch of people are buying in. This is why I love diving meme coins, because bro, the more people who see your coin on the Raydium DEX, the more buyers you're going to get, and that is how you turn attention into organic transactions. Come on, bro. 1k market cap, 1.4k market cap. Okay, it's kind of dead, but it is going to go higher and higher because more people are going to start seeing and buying in. Oh my god, guys, I highly recommend you guys to start using creatememe.io to make coins. $70 buy, $44 buy right here. Okay, bro, yo, let's fucking go. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back when the time is right. Alright guys, I am back, and we are looking kind of great right now. We're at the now we are at a 3.1k market cap, and we are at a $1.53,000 market cap. Now I do believe, yes, that it will go back up, but we will cash out right now just for you guys, right? So come back to creatememe.io real quick, and obviously, bro, if you want, you can click on refresh to check your profits whenever you want. And as you guys can see, bro, now we are up $1,800 because it went up right here. That's why. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove all, then just wait for it to pop up. And as you guys can see, bro, we will receive around 12 Solana. Click on confirm. And BAM! That's exactly how you do it, bro, from start to finish, from deving to fucking launching to fucking making some money. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I received $1,777,000 straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro, on this one launch. Now, obviously, bro, this is a repeatable method, and I would highly recommend for you guys to start right now because Solana is going back up, as you guys can see here, bro. Good luck, bro, and join my Discord and Telegram if you want more info or if you want to contact me